Hi there, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create IDs. Please don't create user IDs in 2024 like this 001, ID 002, or even having to go doing it like this and dragging it down. Yeah, this is nice, but no, we have a better way. So to do this, just type equal to ID. Your ID has to be in parentheses, and then you bring in the ampersand, bring in the text function. Then please, we want to put it in a sequence. Then we're going to count how many IDs we want to make. For this, I'm seeing that we have just 20 rows, so I can just put this 20. Then we close this, and then we put a comma. Then we're going to set the format for the ID. So since it's just intent, so I'm just going to put 2 zeros, and then I'll click on enter, and voila. So we have our ID set here ready. So this is what you have. Thank you, and please subscribe and come back for more videos. Thank you.